muna yan dito. Ayan, okay, ready? Ready? Get set? Oh, bilis! Bulak! Ayan! Bibilangin natin kung sino may pinakamaraming napulot na sticks. Umpisahan natin kay Kuya Gilbert. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, palakpakan natin si Kuya Gilbert. Number 18 na stick siya. Ikaw? Ay, sa Ate Grace muna. Okay, Ate Grace, count. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, ikaw pabilang mo yan.
Kinakariro na naman ni Grace, oh.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Huwag mong isalang kayo bibilangin mo.
Okay, si Ate Grace mas marami kay Kuya Gilbert. Nakadali ng six. Palakpakan natin si Ate Grace. Ayan, kanina to. Kay Amboy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Patas pa. Sino more than 20 yung 6? More than 20. More than 20. Ilan sa'yo? 8 lang sa'yo. Ate Aya, ilan sa'yo? Count number. 17. Ikaw.
Abi!
13. How much? Ikaw, ilan? Ayan si Ate Eliza. Okay, let's go. Count. Palakpakan natin si Ate Eliza with 29 sticks. Congratulations, Ate Eliza. Ayan, nakasiling stick. Okay.